2026 is not going to be like any other year. And if you don't understand what I'm about to tell you in the next 8 minutes, then you're gonna watch everyone get rich and you stay exactly where you are. I'm Vihan, and 3 years ago I was exactly where you are right now, scrolling, watching, and waiting for something to change. But here's what nobody tells you, and by the end of this video, you'll understand that one shift that separates the people who make money in 2026 from the people who make excuses. And I am going to prove it with the exact numbers in my journey. Look, I need to be honest with you. Back in 2023, I was stuck. No real income, no direction, had no idea what I was doing. And it seemed that everyone was able to figure out something while I was there stuck. I was watching videos just like this one. Gurus telling me to just start dropshipping, crypto, AI automation. And you know what I did? I did nothing. I was waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect idea, and the perfect strategy. And then something happened in late 2023 that changed everything. I stumbled into Meta ads, Facebook and Instagram advertising, and I realized something that every successful guy knows but never actually says. But before I tell you that, you need to understand why 2026 is actually different and why this year is literally a once in a decade reset. Right now, we're living through the biggest technological shift since internet. AI isn't coming, it's already here. And here's what's happening in 2026 that people are completely blind to. Number 1. AI is replacing jobs than anyone ever predicted. But here's the paradox. It's actually also creating more opportunities and more jobs for individuals than any other time in history. The difference? The people who win are the people actually leveraging AI to win, not just being replaced by it. Number 2. Attention is the new currency and it's consolidating. And if you're not learning to capture an audience or learn how to capture attention, you're not building assets. You're trading time for money. And that game is over. Number 3. The gap between rich and everyone else is accelerating. Not because rich people are smarter, but because they understand something so fundamental about money that most people don't. And that's exactly what I figured in 2023. So here's what happened in late 2023. I'm sitting in my room, feeling like a complete failure. I have started and quit around 7 those online e-commerce businesses. I watched every video, bought 2 courses that I never finished, and then I see this guy. He's probably 22, posting screenshots of his earning and saying that he earned 3.5 lakhs in a month with Meta ads. And instead of feeling inspired, I felt angry. I was angry because I thought he had something that I didn't. Some secret, some unfair advantage. But then I realized something. He didn't have any secret, but he had just made a decision that I had. And that decision is the same one that you need to make today. But first, let me show you what happened when I made it. And the decision was this: stop learning, start building. See, here's what people who stay stuck do. They just consume. They watch videos, they learn, they wait until they feel ready and never start. But here's what I did in December 2023. I picked one skill, not 10, one. For me, it was Meta ads, learning how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. For you, it might be copywriting, scripting, video editing, AI automations. Doesn't matter. One skill can generate cash. But then I gave myself 30 days to not to master it, not to perfect it, but run my first campaign, to get my first result, my first proof that it actually works. And here's what nobody tells you. I started investing in myself. I put together 5,000 rupees and started testing. The first phase of me running ads, I failed completely. And the second phase, I started to realize what I was doing wrong. And the third phase, it actually started to work. Then I started making 10,000 per month. Then I started making 40,000 per month, and this just kept going on. And within the last 6 months, everything has changed. Now, I'm not saying this to brag, but I'm saying this that I can start from zero with no experience in advertising. You can do it too, but only if you stop what everyone else is trying to do. Here's why 2026 is your year if you actually take action. Right now, everyone is distracted. They are waiting for the economy to get better. They are waiting for the perfect moment. They are paralyzed by AI, scared they'll be replaced. But here's the truth. While they are waiting, you will be building. And in 2026, the people who build will win. Not because they are smarter, but because they moved when everyone else did not. The opportunity right now is seriously insane. Every business in India needs digital marketing. They need online ads, they need meta ads, Google ads. They need people who can get them customers. They need automation, they need content. And the barrier to entry has been lowered by a huge margin by AI. You don't need a degree. You don't need 5 lakh rupees to even start. You just need a laptop and a little bit of corpus to actually start testing what you're actually trying to do. And with 30 days of focused action. So here's what you need to do right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Just pick one skill, give yourself 30 days, run the first campaign or whatever the skill you have chosen. Even if it's with your own money, your parents' money, your friends' money, just start. I'm going to help you, and in the next video I'm going to be breaking down how I learned meta ads from scratch, the exact resources I used, the test I ran, the exact process that you can copy to get your first client. But here's the thing. This only works if you actually do it. I can give you the blueprint, but you have to be the one building your own house. 2026 is going to be the year which separates the people who talk from the people who actually do. And I promise you, 12 months from now, you'll be looking back at this moment as the moment that changed everything. Or the moment you almost changed but didn't. So that's it. That's the shift. Stop learning, start actually building. This is not some oversaturated advice. I'm seriously saying, stop learning, start actually building. You can learn over the time. When you start, you can keep improving over the time, but you have to actually start. So if this clicked for you, drop a comment below which skill you will start learning. I'll read every single one and try to reply to as many as I can. Obviously, I will reply to all. Subscribe if you want the next video where I break down meta ads from scratch and how to get your first client. And I'll see you in the next one.